Hi everyone, I'm Christy Perigli, the Client Success Manager here at Latapult. Today we're going to take a look at GIS imports and web services in Latapult and how they make it easier to bring your own data right into the platform. With our new included features, we're expanding what you can do with GIS in Latapult. Now teams can bring in the datasets they already use, connect to live GIS web services, and work from the same shared information across projects. Each existing user and regions plan now includes 4 GIS imports and 4 web service connections each. Organizations also get 4 shared imports and 4 shared web service connections on top of that, so your team can access the same GIS resources when you need them. Whether you're uploading SHP, CAD, CSV, GeoJSON, or KML, or connecting to an online mapping service, the setup is quick and easy. In today's session, I'll walk you through both workflows step by step so you can start using these new GIS tools right away. Let's get started. So with Latapult, when you come on into your subscription here, on the left side, we have our layers listed. You'll notice now above favorites, there are my layers and your org layers. So my layers is where anything that I import or connect to is going to live just for me. And if I want to include information that my teammates can see in the subscription, I can add that to your org layers. Now you'll notice that we have create your own at the top of this list, and that's something you have to upgrade from Regions to Regions Plus to use, and we'll go over that in another video. So let's go ahead and walk through importing. It's very simple. We'll just drag and drop your file here. So I'm going to choose Colleton County zoning layer. It auto-populates the layer name and recognizes that it's a zipped shape file, which is about 6 to 8 different files zipped together. And it discovers all of the polygons and the attributes. Now at this regions level, we cannot symbolize by an attribute, but if I was in Regions Plus or Custom, if I wanted to symbolize by, say, the long description or the zoning type, I could have different colors for those different features. And similarly, I could filter features by an attribute. We will go to the next step here. All right, so it imported the layer successfully. All the features will be brought in with the same color and outline. I'm going to go ahead and just adjust this to be something a little bit, okay. And there we have it. It brings in the Colleton County zoning layer. I can quickly adjust the opacity here if I want to. We can click in the map now and get information behind every feature. So we have all of this information that was in the original file. And similarly, I can search this layer now also. I can search it both by geography or by some of the attribute information. There we go. All right, so let's walk through the process of connecting to a web service next. Very simple. Also just click the plus button here, and you need to find a REST service endpoint. This is a very specific URL. It's also, you could find ArcGIS online connections. So if you have difficulty finding the URL from a web map or a web service, please just reach out to us and we can help get you the information that you need. So I'm going to come over here to Florida Christmas Tree Farms. This is from the Florida Geospatial Open Data Portal. And if I say I want to use this at the bottom, we'll view the API resources and their geo service here. I noticed that they have a query at the end here, so I'm just going to filter that out and include everything after the service -0 dash. So we will go back to Latapult, copy in that service URL. I'll change this to Christmas Tree Farms and bring it in. And it was that fast connected to the web service layer. It even brought in the different symbology that they use for the web service, which you'll see, which is pretty cool. So if I click on any of these, I can also get all the information tied to these features, and this will be automatically updated by them. So it is dynamic as long as their data is dynamic. So it is that easy to import and connect to web services in Latapult. So in another video, we'll go ahead and walk through the process of creating your own, and I look forward to you all joining me then. Thanks.